Nakailang ka, Marcy?
6.
Ikaw, Curty?
3 pa lang ako.
3 pa. Ako naka-4 na ako.
Good morning, mga zoobs. So it's 9:20 in the morning. I've just dropped off Mimi to school and she got up quite early. Actually, I got up quite early also. I woke up 6:30, but we did go to bed around 11ish last night because we were watching a movie and I was falling asleep. Then I woke up and Diana said, "Hey, you're falling asleep during the movie." And then it ended up she fell asleep, so we turned off the movie and we went to sleep early. Usually kasi we go to bed mga 12, 1 a.m, minsan 2, and then I have to get up at 8. So luckily we got, well, actually it turns out it's probably the same amount of sleep because I woke up 6:30. But this morning the workers were back at the house. We have some touch-ups to get done, just some sort of final aesthetic things to be finished, and they just started as I was leaving. And Diana also has taping, so it's going to be a busy day. Then I will gym now, and I have a feeling that the boys are here because I think Eruption's car is here. So I think the boys are upstairs, already started. And yeah, we have a bunch of things to get done later on in the day. Just hopefully I feel a little bit better because I've had a bit of sip on, so I'm not sure if I'm catching the second hand from Diana a little bit, but so far I've been taking a lot of vitamin C and magnesium and some multivitamins, so hopefully I'll be good in the next like 2 days. So yeah, got to get this day started, so let's get it done.
Good morning, mga zoobs! For today's vlog, saya-saya natin ngayon kasi una sa lahat, magaling na ako. At eto nga guys, may pandesal dito sa taping. Kaya pa kaming maubos. Nagbibilangan kung sino na yung nakailan. Nakailang ka, Marcy?
6.
Ikaw, Curty?
3 pa lang ako.
3 pa. Ako naka-4 na ako.
Busog na ako.
Okay lang kasi I'm so happy dahil yan yung mga pagkain na pwede kong kainin. Mga tinapay, mga dry food. Tapos kumain akong konti kaninang isda.
So, pabili tayo ng Coke?
So, wala na tayong kape. Kasi lately, hindi na ako makapag 1 meal talaga na 1 full meal. Kailangan ko kasi mag-breakfast dahil mag-a-acid ako pag hindi. So, nag-banana lang ako kanina ng breakfast. Tapos ang lunch ko, 4 na pandesal. Ang sarap kasi.
Pero kukuha pa siya ng isa.
Siyempre, magiging 5. Hello, hanggang 5 pandesal tayo ngayon.
Kasi kanina, di ba, humingi ka?
Ako dito.
Ay, hindi pinakuna pa, di ba? Yung si Marco.
Kasama na yun, grabe ka sa akin.
Ay, di ba?
Ang sarap kasi. It's malunggay bread. Tapos ang lambot. Tapos ang init. Naalala ko yung pagkabata ko. Nung bata kami, ang pandesal, sinasawsaw lang sa black coffee. At black coffee. Kasi wala kaming budget ng gatas.
Social naman ng black coffee.
Social yun, wala kang panggatas.
Ay, may asukal naman. Oo, may asukal naman.
Nakasukal naman, siyempre. Bata pa ako noon eh. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga diet.
Ako pa yan ah.
Yun lang yung alam kong kapag. So ayan.
Kesong puti.
Last na to. Ito lang, hindi na ako magdi-dinner mga zoobs. Ano na, 1 o'clock na kasi. Mag-aantay lang ako ng tea.
Wala pang
1 o'clock na.
12:57 pa lang.
Kasi pagkatapos nung kinukunan ngayon, ako na yung kukunan. Tapos,
hanggang pack-up na yun.
Hanggang pack-up, puro ako. Pero during the break, magti-tiktok muna tayo. Kaya Curty, maghanap ka na ng iti-tiktok natin.
Paano? Naka-live ako, di ba?
Naka-live din nga pala kami guys ngayon sa
sa lahat po na gusto mag-host, can you message this?
Naka-live kami ngayon sa Bigo, pakita ko. Ito ako. Si Curty. Nakapigay kami. Sa gustong mag-download ng Bigo Live, ayan. Sali kayo sa agency namin.
Gusto niyo po kumita ng pera? Yes.
Naman. Sino bang hindi gusto? mga kukunan.
Hair.
Ayan, kung nakikita niyo si Maying, ayan si Maying.
Hair.
Tagal mo hindi.
Entrance na.
Sabi, ang tagal mo hindi nagpakita, sabi sa akin dito sa Bigo. Kasi first time ko ulit nag-live.
Yes, because this is the best among the rest. Let's go.
Go! Saan ka pa, Marcy?
Marcy, kulang.
Kahit ubusin mo yan, walang mag-judge sa'yo. So, ayun. Ngayon yung
Kasi pag
taping ko.
lumamig yan, hindi na yan masarap.
Matigas na yan. Kainin mo na.
Ubusin mo na, huwag ka na kasi maiyak. Hindi ko naiiyak, ba't ako maiiyak?
Pamute daw ng isang phone.
Bagsak!
Update ko kayo mga Zoom kapag ako na yung kukunan. Dalawang eksena kami ni Maestro Ronnie Ricketts. Tapos, after that, pahinga, magti-tiktok kami. Tapos, gabi na yung next ko na eksena. So, matutulog muna.
Totoo ba?
Hello mga Zoom!
Saan ko ano?
Magti-take na tayo. After scene.
Brilyante ng train.
Ha?
Mag-resume mo.
Hello, saan ba?
Ano? Gusto mo na
Saan ba kunyari?
Bitachi, ano?
Yan, first take natin for today.
On a rainy rain.
Sabi ko, may ano na naman sa ulo ko. Lagi niya po talagang binubuli.
Ayan na.
Magka-eksena for
Thank you
today.
so much.
Ay, salamat kuya.
What about?
Kaso na ulan.
Hindi, wala yan. Tama mo, ipapostyon mo eh.
Ang daya mo naman. Tapos ako ito.
Ipapostyon.
Salamat po kuya.
Dialogue.
Dialogue lang niya. Search muna si Rainy and waiting for the night effect. Kaya, ano muna, relax lang.
Dapat hayahay.
Sometimes.
So it's just hit 8 o'clock, guys, and I'm planning to go for a walk because I plan to increase my cardio now. I'm going to go for a 30-minute walk, and that's going to be the plan for the next few weeks and probably for the next month, Sana. But I've had a pretty healthy day, which has been good. I had eggs and bacon for the morning. Then in between, I had a snack of banana, walnuts, kiwi, watermelon, and pineapple. So I'm trying to keep my fruits up as well. So since I'm increasing the calories and sort of increasing the carb intake a little bit, that's why I wanted to start introducing a little bit more cardio. And the reason why I'm doing it at night is because you should really separate your sessions from weightlifting to cardio. Usually, or before, I had done either cardio first and then weightlifting in the same session, or in the reverse. So now I'm trying to completely separate it. And from what I've been told, 6 hours is a pretty good break between lifting some heavy weights and then having a 6-hour break and then going in to do some cardio. So not heavy cardio, it's just going to be light walking. So yeah, it's something that me and Diana will probably be doing every night. So you'll probably start to see us doing a few walking vlogs at night, preferably at night because it is a bit cooler. But you still will get a sweat on because, of course, it's humid, especially now that it's rainy season. And Diana's still at taping. She said she has, I think, 6 scenes left. So she'll probably be home by midnight. But tomorrow she will start her big workout day. Although she did start yesterday, but this is it for her. She really wants to reach a goal. And we're going to be running for this goal until about August. So we're going to keep pushing. We're in our probably best shape for the longest time, but we want to push a little bit further. So let's see how we go.
Last scene na. Maaga pa, pero maaga tayong matatapos. Thankful tayo ngayon kasi kahit umulan, medyo natapos natin halos lahat ng eksena today. And nakapag ano pa tayo, di ba? Kahit tumenga tayo, okay lang po.
Wow, working naman pa.
Kahit tenga tayo, di ba?
Hindi kasi ano, charot.
Tapos natin ang eksena. Last, ano to, 3 Hope. Yes, uwi na tayo. Taping ulit tayo tomorrow. Pero bago tayo mag-taping tomorrow, I think I can gym because my call time is like, Englishera.
Uy, si Mayingwe. Ayan, ayan.
Internalize pala ako sa magte-take. Medyo, I have uncomfortable breathing.
Huh?
Kasi may mas madighayin. Nadidigay ako.
Some utot.
Wala daw kayo ko sa video kay Kosa, wala daw.
So, ayan, magte-take na kami. Pero wala pa sa akin yung camera. Ano lang to, likod ko lang muna yung makikita. Kaya mamaya ko na ibibigay yung
Ang best mo.
yung best ko.
What about?
So, magda-dialogue tayo. Wala ka na magagawa rin. Itinapul kami ng kahuli-huli yung kakampi. Kaya mabuti pa kung mas-mas. Wala kami. Hindi ka namin kailangan. Tsaka isa pa, ikaw naman ang nilagay sa amin sa ganitong sitwasyon. At yung pagiging halimaw ng anak mo. Nakuha niya yan sa'yo kahit hindi kayo magkabit. Na ipamano mo pa rin sa kanya. Ang pagiging walang yan.
Okay, ready? Ating tayo! Stand by!
Sige, kung gusto mo maniwala ako sa'yo, ikaw mismo ang hindi sa anak. Suko niyo yung mga sarili niyo, kasama yung mga kasabot niyo. At aminin niyo lahat ng mga kasalanan niyo. Sa ganung paraan. Nakakabayad na kayo sa lahat ng sakit na ginawa ko sa akin.
Dapat may iya.
I'm back up. Bye guys. Bye bye Dolores. Bye.
Bye. Thank
See
you, Miss D.
tomorrow. Thank you sa TikTok. Bukas ulit.
Miss D! Nakatalikod ka talaga na
Imahana. Bye-bye po. Bye direct. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. See ya.
Bye po.
Thank you. May ano na ako.
Meron na nasabi na sis.
Ay, thank you. Bye. Ayan, uwi na tayo. And magbibihis lang muna. Anong oras na?
9:19. Oh my
Not
God.
bad. It's like 11 hours. Diba? Not bad. Tapos hindi pagod. Diba? Saan ang daan? Parang saya-saya ni Mir.
Kasi nga nakasama siya sa vlog, pangarap niya daw yun.
Ah, ganun ba? Halika dito, Imahana. Charot.